and a hook and some bait, and it's going to go in the water.
Fuck yeah.
And we're going to catch a shark. Bait deployed, and it's 7.3 meters. Alrighty guys, so Brian's paddling at his bait, and we've got little Nadia here holding on to the rod, and the drag's set just tight enough so that you can keep a bit of tension on Ryan out there in the kayak. He's going to go over his first little wave. He's going to like this one.
No, he's not going to like this one. It's a cracker day. Such a good little sunset. So we really hope we can get onto a shark. How good would that be? big tiger.
See how it goes coming back in.
He's getting smaller and smaller, but Ryan is that little dot out there. and it's around about 7 meters where he's dropping, so he's going a little bit further out, and then he'll drop it down. We've just got a big rock on a little breakaway line. I'll show you this one. Just some 20-pound on a bit of a rock, up to the little swivel. Big, I think it's like 400-pound trace, and we've got eel with a bit of tuna oil and a couple bevies. What a day for it, but Ryan's just behind me. This is the last line, so we got 3 lines out. That one's Nathan's line. Behind me we've got Ryan's line, and down here we've got mine. Probably going to lose light soon, so quick. Go put the lights on. My line is going very left. It's going quite a fair bit off that way, but we'll see what happens. Finish the beer and wait for the night. Cheers. Oh, yeah, let him have it more. Have it more. Oh, come on, take it. More? Yeah, more. Alright, lock her in. All the way? Yep.
There we go.
That's the job, Jay.
That's the one. And we're on, eh? Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. I don't know if it's too big.
That's a good fish.
I don't reckon it's done anything just yet. Probably doesn't know his hooks. No, probably doesn't know just yet.
Awesome.
How good's that? I reckon we'll get the hook out.
Alrighty guys, just to show you the release, this little fella going.
Wrong way, mate.
He was
wrong
a
way.
pretty angry bastard, so I reckon he was going to go straight in.
He's going the wrong way.
Alrighty. Little Nathan
Double hook up.
was getting pumped while we were just getting rid of the other shark, so
Chaos.
he swam out all nice, which was good. He was probably like, I don't know, like 4.5, 5 foot or something like that.
Very angry.
Very angry. And then this one's going to be a bit bigger than that by the sounds of it. What's your prediction, Nathan? A little brim or?
Yeah, maybe a PB whiting.
on the little overhead. He's got the shirts on. How good's that? Alright, I did turn it off, then we're going back on again, but I reckon we're probably like 10 or 15 minutes into it. And he's hurting.
Fish or me?
Believe it or not, that's about as much skill as Nathan had to start with. Just getting a couple of photos. I can just go here if that makes it any better. Alrighty, he's all de-hooked. We're gonna send him. Turn him on his way.
Nice one, man.
Let's go to the pub.